Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to play Monopoly Go with friends. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Monopoly Go application and then click on the Friends option at the lower right corner of your screen. Now just go ahead and click on Contacts. Click on Add Contacts. Then type your mobile number, click on Continue, then just wait for the code, then click on Submit. So you can just go ahead and click on Add Friends so that you can start playing. And you can also do is to just go ahead and let me just allow contacts on my Monopoly Go. Just a second. Okay, so let's just go back here and then click on Friends again. Okay, so now let's just go back here and click on Invite. Okay, so once you've clicked on Invite, just go ahead and here, as you can see how it works, invite a friend who's never played before. Your friends joins the game, complete the bar, and get the big reward. So now just go ahead and click on invite and then send it with your friends. And then now just go ahead and wait for them to play the game, and now you can start playing Monopoly Go with them. Okay, so that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.